Greetings and welcome everyone. You are watching the Evening Bulletin with me, Farzana Iqbal, and with my co-reporter Tafeem Wani. Tonight, we bring you the top stories making the headlines across the region. Coming up tonight, little steps making big news. Class nursery students go head-to-head in a brilliant day of fun and learning.
Also in this bulletin, a major development update as the Deputy Commissioner of Bandipora gives official green signal for the Census 2027.
And on the sports front, young athletes are setting the field on fire. We take you live to the ongoing football trials where our students are showcasing the mind-blowing talent.
We start tonight with a story that's bound to bring smiles to our face. While they might be the smallest members of the students' community, the energy and competitive spirit are absolutely massive.
That's right, Tafeem. The junior students of class nursery recently participated in an exciting, fun-filled, healthy competition. From creative games to interactive quizzes, these tiny tots proved that talent knows no age. Let's take a look at how they competed, laughed, and stole the show.
The event was organized to promote friendly interaction, motor skills and confidence among the athletes and teachers and parents. Alike were amazed to see the focus and enthusiasm on these young faces as they were crossed the finish lines. Truly a heartwarming display.
Moving on to a crucial administrative update in a major step towards regional planning and digital documentation. The Deputy Commissioner Bandipur has officially given the green signal for the Phase 1 operations of the Census 2027.
Exactly, Farzana. Following the recent district level training programs and administrative meetings, the administration is heavily emphasizing accurate data collection and public participation within the self-enumeration portals and official house lifting operations. Rapidly approaching, the DC has also called upon all residents across the village and towns and tehsils of district Bandipora to extend full cooperation to the designated census teams.
ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट प्रक्रिया है, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एक डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस है जिसमें कि हमारे आगे आने वाले 10 साल तय होते हैं. अगर हमारा सेंसस सही से गया, अच्छे से डेटा कैप्चर हुआ, अच्छे से उसके ऊपर काम हुआ, अच्छा एनालिसिस हुआ, तो मैनी गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स और बहुत सारे आगे के कार्रवाई जो है वो इसी सेंसस पे बेस्ड होती है. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट प्रक्रिया होती है. मेरी सभी से ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी कि जब भी हम आप तक पहुंचे आबादी तक, तब तक आपने इसके साथ जुड़ना है.
Finally tonight, let's talk about sports. The local sports arena is buzzing with high excitement as the anticipated football trials are officially underway.
And the big takeaway from the fields is the sheer domain of our young students. Scouts and coaches are reportedly an exceptional turnout, with our boys and girls showing incredible footwork, tactical brilliance and relentless stamina on the pitch.
These trials are providing a platform for grassroots talents to shine, and if today's performance is any indication, then the future of football in our region is incredibly in right hands. We wish all our student athletes the best as they aim for selection.
से IDPS बांडीपुरा से एक स्टूडेंट हूँ. हमारी जो यस्टरडे हमारी ट्रायल्स हुई थी, उसके लिए हमारी टीचर्स ने बहुत हेल्प की. ताहिर भैया है और आज़ाद सर है. ग्राउंड में हमने बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस किया. आई होप हम सिलेक्ट हुए होंगे, स्कूल से अच्छे रिजल्ट आएंगे. फुटबॉल के में भी अच्छा फ्यूचर है. मैं अंडर 17 में खेल रहा हूँ. अच्छी उम्मीद है हो जाएंगे सिलेक्ट. और IDPS फैकल्टी का भी उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है मुझे. और मैं ज़्यादातर चेयरमैन सर फयाज सर का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ. उन्होंने ये मुकाम यहाँ पर ये अपॉर्चुनिटी लाई है. उन्होंने हमें खड़ा किया है, टीचर्स को बोला इनको सिखाओ, तो तभी हम इस लायक बनेंगे.
With that, we wrap up the evening bulletin. Thank you for joining us.